I hope everybody's doing well. I have another subscription box from your creative studio. I just so appreciate Amanda's efforts in putting these boxes together. I really appreciate these, and I will be doing a little craft with me on the contents of this box. Now I've undone it, but I don't know what all's in here, so we can just be kind of surprised together. So anyway, let's look in here. Always a surprise. So here's Amanda's little thing that she puts in each one, her little note. This is talking about kind of some delays, so because of the COVID-19. But always a sweet note from Amanda. And I always appreciate it. I love this tissue paper. I love the color of this one. That is pretty awesome. Okay, so March, this is April subscription box. But now March subscription box was fantastic. So this one here looks like it's going to be the same way. I can tell by just what I see right here that this is going to be a pretty awesome one as well. This here, oh, looks really cute. So let's open this one up first. Oh yeah, look at that. And it is perforated there, so that tears off. That is adorable. I love that. Yep. Okay, guys, this is looking to be a really fun box. All right, I see more collage going on. This is a stamp. Oh yeah, like a little label. You can make a label with it. That's nice. I like that. Or you could even, well, I'll save my thought there for my craft with me. I don't want to give it away. I have a thought of how to use that. So this is some more washi masking tape. This is really nice. Oh, I like that. Guys, this is pretty cool here. Let's see. Oh yeah. It's like a torn torn edge. That's really nice. It's got some script on it. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it's got some script on it. So I like that. All right. Let's see what this other little stamp is here. It's kind of... Oh, that's really cute too. That's like another little label. Yeah. You could go that way with it. You could go that way with it because of the flower. I think it's meant to go this way, but you could easily turn it. So very cute. All right. All right, so let's see what we have here. This looks like some little tags. Let's see. There we go. I'll say it should slide out. Oh, this, oh, is really thin paper. There's some tags. There's that color. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, look how pretty. Dream flower. That's pretty. Oh, that's really, this is cherry blossoms here. That is beautiful flowers, it says. How cute. And it has like a little quote there. Yeah, that's pretty fun. That's really cute. And then another little, I like that. That little... And there's that one. Those are really pretty, guys. So pretty. Okay, so this is a really good subscription box, too. Really liking it. Okay, so that is some little tags. That's a great collaging stuff there for me. I like that. Oh, this is pretty. Look out the little stickers there. They're like a, yeah, like a transparent, you know. So you're not going to see any edging. That's really nice. Oh, Wow, that's sealed. I'm not going to open that, but ooh, pressed flowers. Wow, wow, wow. Liking that a lot. Okay, let's see what this is. But I did tear that. Oh, vellum. That is cool. Okay. There's another one. Oh, I love that. Sunflowers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love, love, love that. Okay. And those are just vellum, is what those are. All right. Now this is really cute. I have something that I'm going to share, and I'll probably do it with the Craft With Me. Actually, that I've got out of some of the other subscription boxes that I've gotten from Amanda. So I'll share that maybe in this video. Now look how pretty that is. I love that, especially if you're in the vintage and you don't want all the colors. These are the browns and the, oh yeah, Well, that one there looks like it's gotten a little tore. Let's get this one. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is cute. Look at there. Yeah. Okay, so I have a plan for these as well to show you. Well, I'll put those away here in a minute. Okay, let's see what else we have. Yeah, they're kind of, yeah, where they just pop up. Oh no, they're not. They're little, like little Post-its. That's what they are. Yeah, they're like little Post-its. Oh, how cute. How cute. That's what those are. I thought that was foam when they were popped up, but that is like a Post-its. Cute, cute. This is pretty. Note for memo. Flower memory. Oh, looky there. Oh, just what I thought it would be. Looky there. This can just bend. You could almost make a little booklet if you wanted to, or they can tear apart. Oh no, those are nice. I like stuff like this. This is my kind of stuff right there. Okay, these are beautiful. These are like pressed handmade papers. Isn't that pretty? Oh, yeah, this is nice. Okay, and looky here. These all match the pressed flowers. So we've got yellow. We've got the green. We've got a little orange going on. How pretty. Okay, so that is the box, everyone. So I will be doing a Craft With Me. Hopefully, I will get that done in the next couple of weeks. I've got several projects on the table, and anyway, but I will be working on a little Craft With Me on this. So I'll see you in the next video.